Hi guys, let me show you how to make a wet pocket. So you grab the part of the dress you're going to fix the wet pocket and draw a line this way. Then you go below it and mark a 1/4 inch, just like so, and roll it out. Just a 1/4 inch. You're going to draw this line below and above the first line you drew. Then I'll go above the line also and draw a 1/4 inch. Okay. So it's going to be something like this. So you can measure it to know what exactly. So I think altogether I'll be using about 5 inches for those lines. Okay, so the two lines above and beneath, I went out about a 1/4 inch beyond the midline. Okay, so I extended those lines this way. And there's a reason for that. So that after sewing, we need to create a triangle around that. So you extend the midpoint slightly to the one at the top and also to the line below. Okay, I hope you understand that part. Then I went ahead to get a piece like this. This piece is on fold and is about 3/4 inch. That's 0.75 inches. And you're going to place it at the midpoint. You see, I'm placing it directly on the midline. So you secure it with pin to make it stable. So after this, we'll be sewing on the line below, which is a 1/4 inch below the midline. You know, I've covered it with the fabric, so we can't see it. So the only thing is just for you to go ahead and mark a 1/4 inch below the midline. And you stitch it. And you're going to stop at the point of the midline. You can see the exact place I tried to chalk. Okay, so let's go on now and stitch on a 1/4 inch. Please measure a 1/4 inch from that midpoint and stitch straight down and lock it. So you pick up the second pieces also and you place it just like this and also stitch on a 1/4 inch from the midpoint. A 1/4 inch, please. That's the way we did for the first one. Note where you're going to start sewing from and where to stop based on the little diagram we drew earlier. So this is it. You cut out the excess. So this is what I have. And note is the open part that is facing the midline. So now we have to expose this midline because we need to cut it open. So I only secure those parts with pins. So that first line I drew, that midline, so I'll open it up. First use my seam ripper, then use the scissors to do it. To open it and stop at the first line. So you stop about a 1/4 to the end. Just watch it carefully. So I have to slant the opening now to the end of my stitch. So you stop about 1/2 inch or a 1/4 inch to the end. If you can do 1/2 inch, is okay. Then you now slant it. You slant your cutting. Can you see what I have here? That's just the point, so that will be easy. This only makes the work easy. So can you see that triangle there? So we'll do the same thing for this part also. So before the end of your stitch, you stop about 1/2 inch or a 1/4 inch and slant the opening. Do it slantly. towards the end. You can see what I achieved, see what I have. So this is just it. So we'll now turn to the inside of the cloth. Everything you do initially is on the right side, of the fabric. So now you turn to the inside and bring in all the black pieces. You bring them out on the inside of the cloth. So since we are doing a single welt pocket, you make sure these two pieces overlap each other. So you have to check the right side to know which position you want to be on top. So mostly the one at the down part should be on top. Just look at what I'm creating here carefully. So you can see the way I'm adjusting it. You have to adjust it properly. And see that little flip there? You are going to stitch it down. So as you are doing it, make sure you straighten it out on the inside. So I'm going to stitch just that little flip down. See the way I'll just do it. Just sew it down and lock. So you might not really need to stitch to the end of those black pieces, but just secure that part. So the other side too, I have to make sure it overlap properly. See the way I'm drawing it to make sure it is firm. Let it overlap and let it be firm. Make sure you do that, okay? Then the little triangle piece on top, I need to stitch it down also. So it's only that part that we need to sew. Yes. So you don't really need to sew all through the black pieces, just the mid part that you need to secure that little pieces from the main fabric. So this is it. The outer part of the waist pocket is done, so you give it a good press. So this is the inside. So the next thing now is to create the pocket bag. So I just cut a straight pieces. You choose your desired length, how long you want it to be, but make sure it is moderate so that it won't be coming out from your dress. So I'm going to be using the 2 hemming allowance for the pocket, the 1/4 inch that I sew on initially. So I'll pick the first one down with one part of my pocket bag and stitch. Remember I said you're only going to sew on that 1/4 inch that we first sew at the beginning. It's just something to attach your pocket bag to. Then we'll open it up and pick the second part of the pocket bag and attach it to the upper part also. See? And also stitch. So you can stitch this part to the end. So this is what it looks like. Our pocket is really taking shape. So the next thing is to close the pocket bag at the side. Just watch it carefully. And moreover, when you are doing this by yourself, you understand it better. If you watch 100 videos without trying it out, you might get confusing. But once you climb the sewing machine and try it out, it will work. So just believe. So I'm going to close the other side of the pocket bag also. And close properly. So, and we are done. That is just it about wet pockets. There's nothing, it's not that difficult. So this is what we have. Our pocket bag is secured. The opening is good. Okay. So please try it out and also share your outcome with us. Okay, I would love to see your outcome also. So I hope you find this helpful. Please remember to give it a thumbs up, and if you're here to subscribe to my channel, please subscribe. When you are done, you can just clean it up, cut off the excesses at the side, and you're good to go. So this is it, guys. Okay, so thank you for watching. Stay blessed and God bless you. Bye.